I'm here working on this tiny little smart car crawler build. Problem is, when I'm building this, the hardware I have to buy is very loose. Lots of motion. You can see here in slow-mo, a lot of side-to-side movement, a lot of play. So I need some little shims to put in there. The trouble is with these tiny parts is that you just can't keep a hold of them and fit them in those tiny spaces easily. Here's my usual method using the tweezers and my usual result. Dropping it again, maybe losing it on the floor and having to grab another one. It's a real pain, and plus after that I don't even want to take it apart again for adjustments. Very frustrating. I'm getting older and my hands shake a little bit. Also, as you can tell, my voice is getting gravelly too. It happens. It does eventually work if I can have some patience. Just wiggle and try again, and then finally it works. But then I got an idea that it would be nice to have a tab to hang on to on this shim. So I went into Fusion 360, mocked it up, and then brought it over to the slicer, and then printed it. And this is what I came up with. Just having that little tab to hang on to makes a world of difference. And if it goes somewhere, it's easy to find on the floor. But I can hang on to it. Once I get it put in place, it'll stay pretty well because I can hold it right there. Very handy, a lot less frustrating. Once I have it installed, then that tab can come off just with a little cut. One little snip and it's gone. Okay, maybe two little snips. You get the picture. And here I am wiggling the back of the car. The sun shim still floats around quite a bit. Lots of side movement. Now the front, the this shim, still some movement there. The holes are a little big for the bolts here in it, but much improved. There's a lot of work yet to do on this little build. I am documenting along the way. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see that. Happy crawling.